guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishika Kashyap and in today's video we are going to make our 2025 vision board. It has already been made. I went to this crazy workshop of women, which was again a manifestation of mine in 2024, which I forgot to share with you in my manifestation proof video. But yeah, that was something that I did. There was a women's only workshop and we set our intentions for the year. We manifested a bunch of things and we made this beautiful vision board that I can't wait to share with you. तो मैं आपको सब कुछ दिखाती हूँ इसके अंदर. कुछ चीज़ें पर्सनल है तो वो मैं थोड़ी सी ऑडिट कर लूँगी, बट all in all we made a vision board. So without further ado, let's get started. दिस टाइम व्हाट आई हैव डन इज कि एक मैंने विजन बोर्ड फिजिकल बनाया है एंड सेकंड जो मेरा प्लानर है उसके अंदर मैंने अपना विजन बोर्ड लिखा है अकॉर्डिंग टू द कैटेगरी. सो हाउ आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग माई विजन बोर्ड वॉज वेरी इंटेंशनल. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कैटेगरी ये हुए हैं इन द सिम्बा लाइफ स्टाइल प्लानर. सो वॉट आई डिड वॉज कि मैंने अपना विजन लिखा और उसके साथ मैंने एक एक्शन अटैच किया. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज अ कैटेगरी इन द प्लानर. So I've written meditate and breathe, mindful mornings and evenings. What is the action for this? Read, listen to soothing music, no phones or distractions before and after bed, and chanting Om. These are the 4 things we'll do to manifest this spiritual journey. So this time I thought that it's better to be intentional. It's better to have actions with your goals and make it more achievable. Of course there are a bunch of goals that I've set that seem unachievable at the moment, but I've aligned short-term actions to them as well. So for mental peace I've written that I just want to be at peace, at ease. For action I've written think before I speak, breathe when I'm angry, take space when it's required, and set healthy boundaries with other people. So this is something for my mental well-being. फिर उसके बाद फिजिकल के अंदर लिखा है मैंने to take 10k steps a day, to have an active lifestyle, and to play a sport. So I really want to play badminton is one thing that I've written on my vision board, and this is the first time I'm actually sharing like my full vision board. So I really have to buck it up and go and do something about it. So action के अंदर में लिखा है walk, take the stairs, and sign up for like a badminton class or a court. For travel I've written more beaches, do more luxury trips. I want to do an international trip. I'm not sure if I do have the time for that, but we'll see. So action is to make travel related content and get sponsorships. So that is again one goal of mine. We'll see if it aligns with what I've thought of and what I feel what I will be feeling in the future. Sometimes plans of course do change, but yeah, I want to work with brands and have sponsorships on my channel as well. Lifestyle wise I've written a very airy and cozy apartment. So I'm actively seeking out apartments at the moment. So I really want to live in a very homely sort of a space which has more storage of course. So I'm talking to brokers, so that is the action attached to it. Hobbies, I want to learn the piano and dedicate 30 minutes to it is the action that I've correlated it with. Then there's something about love, which of course we're not disclosing at the moment. For finance is again I've set up a number that I want to achieve. Won't be sharing that, but actions I've written that do YouTube more actively, try and build a following and a community on social media, do podcasts, do gigs, do workshops, a bunch of things, and get more opportunities in corporate as well, which are good valuable opportunities that will give me the space to grow. Career wise again I have a subscriber count list that I want to achieve, so hopefully we achieve that. Then I want to do more music. I want to work in studios. I want to get more exposure in singing. So that is also something that I'm working on. Actions attached to them. For knowledge, I want to read more about businesses. I also want to brush up on my skills of podcast because that is the only way to go for YouTube at the moment. So that is also something that I'm reading about. The action attached to it is जब भी मेरे पास idle time होगा मैं इन चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ूंगी instead of wasting my time on social media. Then for family, I have family trip and a siblings trip that I really want to do with my brother and sister. That is something that we're planning. I really want to go do like an international trip with them, but अगर domestic भी होगा तो मुझे चलेगा. But हमने कभी भी siblings trip नहीं किया तो हमें वो ज़रूर करनी है. And then for friendships, I have written invest in meaningful friendships and also build a community of women around you, because I really feel that women uplift you, they guide you through life, and yeah, these are just small things and bigger things that I think I will be doing this year. Very excited to see how it goes. One tip that I have for everyone is that अगर आप कोई भी गोल या कोई भी गोल डाल रहे हो ना अपने विजन बोर्ड में, मेक श्योर इट्स वेरी स्पेसिफिक. सो जैसे कि व्हाट आई हैव डन इज कि जो मेरा विजन बोर्ड है उसके अंदर मैंने चेक का फोटो लगाया है. उसके अंदर मैंने एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट लिखा है कि मुझे 31st दिसंबर में मेरा अकाउंट कितना रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. और लाइक जैसे मेरे को एक अपार्टमेंट चाहिए लेकिन मुझे वो सनसेट व्यू अपार्टमेंट चाहिए, तो मैंने उसी के सनसेट व्यू का ही फोटो डाला है. सो बी वेरी वेरी स्पेसिफिक विद योर गोल्स इज व्हेन इट गेट्स मैनिफेस्टेड. सो डेफिनेटली डू थिंक अबाउट दैट. यू नो, आई वॉन्ट टू be more mindful about my mornings. I want to reflect more. I want to definitely build on my personal development journey for sure, but also do get more materialistic this year. Get whatever luxuries that I want to. So for me, luxury means freedom of time, and that is something that I really want to build this year. Be more independent with my work. Get more flexible work. So that is something that I want to do, and like I said, I want to build a community of women. So if you have any ideas around that, tell me in the comment section below. I really hope that you like this short and sweet vision boarding video. मैंने बहुत टाइम बात करा है because today I felt that I have the right energy to discuss about this. So yeah, let me know if you like this video. अगर आपको कुछ और tips चाहिए vision boarding पे, and also watch my manifestation proof video that has everything that I've manifested in 2024 that might give you an idea of how manifestations work. And if you have any follow-up questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.